How to reverse your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. First thing, go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now all what you have to do is upload a new video from here or just choose from your drafts. I already have this video, so I'm gonna click on it. Now go down here, click on edit, swipe right until you find the reverse option right here, as you can see, and click on it. Now wait a few seconds and your video will be reversed easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later and thank you so much.